This custom stone and brick masonry masterpiece will make you proud to call this 2,483 square foot Belmont floor plan your own. The beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath home opens up to the most well laid out open space imaginable. You'll marvel at the high ceilings and hand-scraped hardwood floors. You can't help but marvel at the large family room with its Texas-sized fireplace and dining room that flows easily into the gourmet kitchen with its chef's island, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and large pantry. The owner's suite located on the ground floor offers a spacious private getaway with its huge walk-in closet, but you'll really be amazed by the spa-like master bath with quality amenities including a relaxing garden tub and separate shower, and dual vanities. As you ascend the staircase, you'll be amazed by the size of 3 additional bedrooms and the adjacent bathroom. You'll delight at the additional space of your family game room to enjoy hours of fun and entertainment. First Texas Homes offers a variety of different floor plans. We can build you this floor plan or any of our other plans at almost every First Texas community.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.